Science Olympics Day.
Good morning.
Hi, Mrs. Dunn.
Hello there.
You love science. I love science.
Right. I saw you out there. I thought, ooh, that looks like Mike Hillier.
Ooh, I love the science of air conditioning, too.
Yeah, nice, yeah. Hi, Mike.
Pick it up anyway, throw it in the garbage can around the corner. Guys, come on. Nicole and Derek, you stay back there.
Fall back and get in line. Fall back and get in line. Double rows here. ¿Quién pasa con el tren, por favor?
We don't have Jeopardy today.
You been around?
About 15 minutes.
This is my 6th game.
Wow. Everybody know all the answers?
They're doing very well, and some of the kids in our kindergartens. A little tricky. It's a little tricky. Alright, I'd like to know if I have a group 5 here.
Yes.
Alright, what grade are you? 3rd. Could some of you move to And first grade,
First grade.
second grade, and third grade. All right, we need to have some third graders on each side, okay? So we need a few third graders here and a few third graders here to help out everybody, okay?
That's about right.
All right?
That's good.
Very good. See before. Okay. How many of you never played before? Okay. You're the blue team and you're the red team, all right? Now, if I read a question and you don't know the answer, you need to talk it over with all the other people that are your whole team and then figure out what it should be and then tell me, okay? Don't just say something. Talk it over with all the people on your team first. And you do the same. Don't just holler out some answer because you might not be right. You need to talk it over, okay? And today I've been starting with the red team gets to have the first pick. And here's the categories today. Nature and the solar system, and that's things in space and planets. And we have plants and nutrition, and that's foods and food groups and things, and animals, okay? And we need a red volunteer to pick a category, okay? The solar system for 100, all right? Now, what if you might not know this? What are you going to do? All right, but you might know it right off. What is the only planet in our solar system that has life? Earth. That's right. Very good. All right, first 100 points to the red team. And now we go to the blue team. Who wants to choose here? Animals. Animals. Okay, a lot of you kids in the kindergarten, you guys will know some of these things too, so don't worry. What is the animal group that has hair or fur on it? Mammals. Right. And mammals. How many of you heard of mammals before? I thought so. Okay. Okay, Reds. Bradley? Solar System 200. Solar System 200. Bradley. Bet you know this. The biggest planet. If you're not sure, get together with these other people. Jupiter. That's it. It is Jupiter. Okay, good. I know. All right, Blues. How about some brave person from the kindergarten? You want to pick a category? What do you want to see?
Escoge una de las cuatro. ¿Cuál quieres? Food.
Foods. Okay, here we go. You kids should drink 4 glasses of this every day. What is it? What should you drink 4 glasses of? You want to talk it over with all the other people first? You think you know?
Tell everybody what you want.
What should you kids drink 4 glasses of every day? You want to talk it over with the other kids and see what they think? Why don't you third graders help them out? That's it. It's milk, right? Okay. All right, red team, go. Tammy? Guess what you got? What is that, Brad? Daily double. And if you guys get it right, how much will you get? Not this much. How much? 600. Tammy, 4. This is your day. If you don't know, make sure you discuss this, okay? What planet is called the red planet? That's it. All right, good for you. 600 for the red team. Okay, Blues, let's go. All right, the solar system. This is a tricky one, too. It's a planet question. And the answer is not one of the other answers that you've already heard in planets. Okay, it's not one of those. And this is the clue. What planet is the sister planet to Earth? The sister planet. Yes, it is Venus. Very good, Samantha.
Nicely done, Samantha.
400.
Solar Puedes dibujar con líneas, puedes dibujar una mariposa, un perrito, un árbol, con triángulos, lo que sea. Qué bonito.
Hey.
There's lots of colors, mix them up.
We're going to be with you in the afternoon. It's across the
You have to have the T corner this time. You can go in the end. Okay. Go.
Yeah. Erica and I are going to do the sides first. And then me and I should have to make a square. No,
Whatever way you want.
we can't do it like this and we can't do it like that.
Who's helping with the rope?
I'm doing it. I'm doing it. What do I do?
Make a
I'm
wall.
making a wall.
Okay, there's 4 walls, right?
Erica, Amanda, should I make the
Make
wall?
one. Make one wall.
I'm making a wall. Make that.
Coaches, you can give them support, but they should come out and decide how they're going to divide up the jobs. Thank you.
I'm
You
doing
can tell them, if it's sagging, why
How are you going to do the 2 separate pieces and connect them? There you go. That's a nice flat spot. We need another triangular piece on the other end. Yeah, maybe you can start working on the other triangle.
I'm doing the rock. Yeah, weird. Right there. Scissors. Whoa. I'm on TV.
You're on TV.
You can't cut me.
Amber. We're going to do it this afternoon. You can be first to leave. Don't fly it here. Don't fly it.
Excuse me.
Hi, Mrs. Pagan.
We're just having a wonderful day.
I know, it looks great.
Now that it's time for lunch,
You won't let your poor kids out of the room? You have to feed them through the window?
maybe I won't even go in there.
We had to taste baby food.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, you're not babies. That's why you didn't like it.
Two.
Babies
Two
love
kinds.
babies.
We built the highest
I did it on my dress.
We did the baby.
Hi, Mrs. Tarling. Okay, how are you?
Good. Jimmy's anxious to hear from your group. Are they going to call him this week or what?
Maybe this afternoon.
Okay, good, because he's really getting... Went to a seminar. Nice. We got it in. Put it in. Go.
Stuff it.
Oh! Have to do is answer a science question as a team. Then
What's
after
an
they-
example of a science question?
Okay, an example would be, where's the place where two different air masses meet is called a what? And then the whole team gets to answer the question. And then after they answer the question, they go to the different stations. First station, throwing the frisbee in. Then the second station with the ball, holding between the legs, and then over there with the sacks.
I don't think I know the answer unless it's front.
Yeah.
Oh, it is? That's not easy.
That's a good one here. Okay. Some of these answers are harder.
Oh, harder than that one?
Oh, well, let's see. 3 states.
Video.
You helping, Debbie?
What are you supposed to be doing here? What are you supposed to be doing?
We're directing them how to build Legos. And we're getting points for every set we get done.
I see. He can't see it inside?
No, he's not supposed to see it.
Like this.
Here, get the.
There you go.
There, right there. Yeah, right there. Then you take a blue one, like the green one. A blue one, like the green one. Yeah, that one. And you put it on the side like this. No, where the. You know where you put that blue one at? It has to go down. It has to be next to it. No, on the other side.
The video camera.
There you go. Right there.
Like this.
We're done. Got one more piece. We got one more piece left. Put it down.
What do you got left? Leave it in the box. Don't take it out of the box.
Are you guys done?
Yeah.
Ooh, one piece left, huh? You sure?
Look in there.
I don't see yellow anywhere. Oh, there sure isn't. Okay, hang on, let me count.
The Coke.
Dogwood.
Something.
What did I say you could have put down there after we got done doing that one after the time was all up on there? It's that last one.
You better get down there.
Come on, Steve. Hey, wait. Don't push me. Wait.
Okay, ready? Right, you turn around and check.
I couldn't think of any mammals in there.
Nothing here? No. What's the ice? Yeah, that works. Where did that 19 before?
15.
What were you supposed to do here? What is that?
It's like the skater game where she rolls the dice and then it ends up with a letter, and you're supposed to think of all the things for those kind of categories.
Is it fun?
Yes.
Sounds fun.
Right this
I like
time. Can I come
categories.
back, please?
Is that thing on?
Yes.
Don't get me, please.
Too late. You're a star.
Okay. Ronnie's gonna write this time.
Another R would be radius.
Yeah, we have.
Right ventricle, right aorta, or right article.
Forgot about that stuff.
Okay.
Okay.
It's at 27 and 71.
Now, how would you know to leave them out?
A lucky guess. We just
Took a chance?
yeah, took a chance and then we got it right the first time we left.
Okay, just kept trying and that seemed to work out? Okay, we'll give you 4 on it. Okay, over here. Have we heard from you? All right, can you tell me how your team did this? Okay, this sounds pretty good. They said they added all the numbers together, then subtracted from what's up there, and then got to see what's left. Okay, 3 points. Who'd like to explain back here? Yes.
I'll do.
Okay.
Alright, I added them all up. Then I subtracted 97.
Okay.
Then I kind of like added a couple together to find out what added up to 97.
Okay. Are you listening up there? Okay. Would you put down 2 points for your team? Good explanation. All right. Let's see what you can do with number 5. Well, this is close. Number 5 can make a difference. Are you working it? Right here.
Okay, how are you?
I got 1,372. I'm home.
Okay, can you post an answer in 1 minute? 1 minute. Give it a little talk time.
We don't got the answer.
They're not all agreeing.
Good.
They're not agreeing.
What's the answer? They don't know it.
Talk it over. Come on, I said you have a minute. You can still talk it over.
Okay, there's 52 weeks. Okay, because we have 3 weeks vacation. 52 minus 43. On a 3 equals 49. 140 times 49 equals 6,800 what?
That's right.
Driven per year. That's how you do it.
Then you put 28 times 5.
Yeah, you know,
Then 140 times 49 equals that.
yeah. You understand it now? Give it the paper.
Okay, we're ready. This,
On me.
that equals that.
Okay, would you post your answers, please? Anything here? Something here? Something here? What's here? What's the decision? $686, 6,860, and 1372. The correct answer is 6,860. So if the team captains would bring your books up, I'll put your points down.
Did we get it right?
Costumes, school musical.
13.
What's your country? Don't know.
One more team, I need to write the score down.
Right here. Hey, we need the score. What's the name of your team?
What's your country?
Denmark.
Denmark. Oh, okay, good.
Don't even know your country.
Yeah, bitch for me.
Your friend lost it. Where'd he lose it?
I don't know, but he has his own.
This is mine.
Okay.
It's 12:05, so I would suppose they'd start here and then go.
So they come back to our classroom.
Okay?
Yeah, I need to make sure that I get this all squared away here. Excuse me.
Jesse, get out of the way.
What's her name? Coco. Good name.
Look at Jessie. She was in the your hair.
Roll around the world? Roll.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
It's
Can I get this on?
You bet. Matthew and Joy. Kevin, in what city does the President of the United States live and work? Oh, that was the tie. Now wait till I'm done with the question.
Yeah.
If you are facing north, what direction is behind you?
South.
Joy jumped in. America share our continent with us? No. Joyce won that one. What Great Lake has the name that begins with the capital letter E? Who knows? Anybody know?
Huron.
A lake.
Huron.
No, that begins with an H. Erie. Good for you. Maybe Dexter got that one. Okay, we'll try another. Name one of the Earth's 7 continents.
That's the answer.
Good.
Excellent.
Really, the question was name 3.
Over there, Bridget.
Over here? Sure.
Over there by Bridget.
Okay, are you ready? Mexico is what direction from the United States? Wow, Joy is doing it. Name a state that borders Mexico.
Texas.
You're right, that's one of them. Good job. Which of the following is a state? Washington or Washington, D.C.?
Washington.
What large body of water is just south of Texas? And it's not an ocean. It has a different name. Who thinks they know? The Gulf of Mexico. Good job. You just arrived in Denver with your aunt to see the Broncos play football. In what state is the city of Denver located? Denver.
Colorado.
Yes, Brian. Good job. Now, we'll have to stop because you have to be quiet. We get ready for lunch.
Yes.
That was a long time to kill. Is in Colorado. I have been there.
I didn't know. I just made a guess.
You did a good job.
Your attention, please. There will be no lunchroom detention today. No lunchroom detention. Thank you.
But you have to make it up Tuesday. Ready?
I know you.
Who am I?
You're Mike.
Right.
Hi.
So are you?
Remember Jamar?
Yeah.
Where we met women.
You're Mike too, aren't you?
Yeah. Your hair. But you have a different last name.
Right.
He's just filming some stuff.
You don't get to eat lunch, huh?
Yeah, I'm going.
What's that? Oh, those are lunches, huh?
I'm gonna crash.
Who decides who has to walk backwards? Let's see. Ooh. That neat.
You can look through the top.
And you did all the colors too, huh?
Yeah.
The blue sky and the green. That's beautiful. Wow. That's great. Hey, you better put it away. Keep it safe.
Did you guys get on a movie?
Let me take my group here. Okay. Jimmy, you're Nicole. Uh-huh, you mature. Okay.
Get that came out of my face.
Right? And your father was the chaperone this morning?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Get that came out of my face. I'm getting a drink.
And there's Lori.
Let me see the green thing. Jimmy, let me see it.
I think he's drinking through his gills.
There's no room 20. I think this one. Hair. Brian, don't know yeah, I'm going to do. No, I'll give it to you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Hi, Mrs. Little.
You can sit here. Who can tell me what makes a rocket go up? What makes a rocket go up? Come on.
Fire.
Fire. Where do you see the fire usually when there's a rocket?
In the back.
In the back of it, behind the rocket? Do you ever see the fire come like from underneath? And when you see on TV and all of a sudden there's like an explosion, there's that fire all over, and it's pretty neat to look at, isn't it? Why does a rocket go up into space? Why does Jimmy?
To learn things about the planet.
Right, they need to explore the planets. Also, they do things like they bring up satellites, they big satellites, and they sometimes take a lot close-up pictures. Let me give you this paper so we can read together about how a rocket goes off and goes into the sky. Sean, you can come stand closer so we can see. Let me read this for you. Inside a rocket. I need to put some fuel in my rocket. How should I do it?
Wow.
Load it. I'll use some air for my lungs. All right. Now, here's my rocket. Here's the hole at the bottom where my fuel's going to come out. So as my fuel pushes out from the bottom, the force pushes down, the rocket should go up. So if I let go of my rocket, it will go up in a straight line like a rocket does in real life.
No.
What will happen to it? Who says it'll go like this all over? Who says it might just look like a rocket go
Go all over.
all over? Let's give it a try.
it any place I wanted to do. But let me attach this balloon onto this string. And I have a straw. If I blow up the balloon so the fuel comes out toward the bottom, should we put our balloon so the fuel comes out towards the wall? Should I think about it towards the window. No?
That way.
That way, okay. So I would like to pick a captain from each team to hang on to the balloon. Don't blow it up, just hang on to the balloon. We got Captain Greg, pick a balloon. Captain Greg picked a balloon. And we have Captain Amari, pick a balloon. Good. Now just hang on to it, don't do anything with it. And now, we need to turn to the second page. Of our sheet. Look at the green sheet. Now we have to look at the balloon very closely and let's think of a name. What should we call it? Rocket. What's a good name for a rocket so that they'll really like it? You know, that it'll go fast, a good strong name. What could we call it?
Speedy Gonzales.
Okay, so that's a good name too. What's a good name for a rocket? If you don't know how to spell it, then you should
Speedy Gonzales.
Fast rocket, that'd be a good one too. What do we call rockets?
Touches the sky.
I think
You guys have, okay, start filling out the first 3 lines.
Do you have an idea?
What do you want the rocket's name today? Who wants it to be like?
CH is I think TU.
No.
CH. No.
Come on, catch on. Down here, okay, put it down.
Rocket's called.
Okay, it's gonna be thunder, right?
The
Okay, right
rocket's
down.
blue.
I didn't want that. So your team is Thunder?
Yes. D-E-R.
U.
And your team, your rocket's
like that
called,
And what color is our rocket?
what's it called?
Skycatcher. Rocket shape.
Well, that's called a rocket.
Round.
Yeah, this
And
is the
blue.
color of your balloon.
No, just put round. You just fill out the 3 lines, right?
Now take a look at this string. I have the string divided into meters. Let me show you how many meters we have. This is 1 meter, 2 meters, 3 meters, 4 meters, 5 meters, 6 meters, and 7 meters. My string is 7 meters long. Now, if we blow up our balloon and attach it to the straw, how many meters do you predict that it will go? Talk about it in your group.
I think it'll
All
go 6 meters.
Our thunder rocket is gonna go.
You think it'll go?
You think it's gonna go?
Raise your hand when you're ready.
She's not talking to you.
Okay, that's it.
1, 2,
1 and a half.
I think it'll go halfway.
So what are you gonna say?
Halfway.
You say half?
No, we should just put it on. So.
And what do we see here?
What do we say?
What do you say?
All the way?
All the way to 7 meters?
Or 6 meters, if we say.
Yeah, your group has to agree
Okay.
with you. The fuel engineer.
Well, I've
Fuel engineer
got
will
a
blow it
lot
up.
of
Now
air.
listen, stop. As the fuel engineer is blowing it up, you have to count how many breaths they put, how many